pond where the water's blue. Little Pearl, and I know just what to do. Soft little feathers, gentle and sweet. Here come the duckies. Let's give them a greet. Count the ducks, 1, 2, 3. Swimming on the pond with me. Count the ducks, 4 and 5. Watch the happy duckies dive. Here comes one little duck, paddle, paddle, splash. Then there are 2 little ducks, quick as a flash. Now there are 3 little ducks dipping down low. Look, a 4th little duck all in a row. And a 5th little duck says quack, quack, quack. 5 little duckies, welcome back. Count the ducks, 1, 2, 3. Swimming on the pond with me. Count the ducks, 4 and 5. Watch the happy duckies dive. 5 little duckies, soft and sweet, paddling with their webby feet. Flap, 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 and quack, 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 dipping down and popping back. Gentle little Pearl leans in to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, happy as can be. Be so gentle, be so kind. Soft little hands are what we'll find. Little Pearl says hi. Wave to the duckies swimming by. Count the ducks, 1, 2, 3. Swimming on the pond with me. Count the ducks, 4 and 5. Watch the happy duckies dive. Here comes Mama Duck, big and proud. 5 little duckies quack out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all here. The happiest pond, my dear. Count the ducks with me. Count the ducks with me.